Dropshipping. Did you know that the retail e-commerce market, including dropship stores, is pegged at $220 billion in the US alone? So now you're asking, what exactly is dropshipping and how are these jaw-dropping figures achievable? Dropshipping is essentially an arrangement between a dropshipper, that's you, and a manufacturer or a supplier. You create a storefront for showcasing or selling products while your manufacturer, merchant, or supplier agrees to fill orders. That's it. Yes, it's that simple. The dropshipping business has achieved 9 figures over the past few years because it is super convenient. Manufacturers and suppliers take care of product packaging, branding, warehousing, and everything else that goes into managing inventory. All you need to do is take care of the sales and watch the money flow in. Anyone can and should own a dropship store because it saves cash and maximizes your profit. It is a sure way to benefit from less hassle, and most importantly, it is location independent. You can manage and operate your store from anywhere in the world, all from your laptop or smartphone. The shopping mall era is coming to an end. Online sales are becoming the new norm. Don't miss out. Get started today.